Hello there, I'm Zanna James bringing everything weather your way. Now today, you guessed it, the ridge pattern continues to dominate our region, bringing hot and sunny conditions across both islands. Now the breeze has tapered off slightly with winds currently at 15 kilometers per hour in Trinidad and 17 kilometers per hour over in Tobago. Now temperatures peaked today at 32.2 degrees in Port of Spain and 31.6 degrees over in Scarborough. Now, while these are quite hot conditions, they do not yet meet the Trinidad and Tobago Meteorological Service's criteria for a hot spell. Now, for a hot spell watch to be issued, the maximum daytime temperature must reach or exceed 34 degrees Celsius in Piarco and 33 degrees in Crown Point for at least 5 consecutive days. So far, estimated temperatures for the first half of March are forecast to hover around 32 degrees. But as with all weather conditions, this can change. So we'll be keeping a close eye on that for you. Now, currently temperatures remain in the 30s to upper 20s, but they are expected to drop to around 22 degrees in Trinidad and 24 degrees over in Tobago. Conditions will remain mostly clear with the possibility of a brisk shower or two. Our weekend sunrise awaits us at 6:16 a.m., while sunset will also be at 6:16 p.m. Now, in our extended weather forecast, we're looking mostly dry with just a few showers. Now, on Saturday, we will have a few morning showers, then hot and sunny conditions throughout the day. Hot and sunny conditions will be there for Sunday and Monday, and Tuesday, we will have sunny skies with a few clouds and just a few brief showers. Mostly sunny conditions will come in on Wednesday. Now, your daytime high temperatures will range in the lower 30s, while your nighttime low will be in the lower 20s. Now, for Tobago, you're a bit drier than us here in Trinidad on Saturday. You will have a few early morning showers as well, but there will then be a mix of sunshine and clouds as the day progresses. By Sunday, it will dry up a bit more, and by Monday, as you can see, that big sun, which will carry over all the way to Wednesday. Now, your daytime high will be around 30 to 31 degrees, and your nighttime lows will be around 23 and 24 degrees. Now, this weekend is shaping up to provide great conditions for enjoying the water. Sea conditions will be around moderate and is expected to stay that way throughout the weekend, with wave heights ranging between 1.5 and 2 meters in open waters and below 1 meter in sheltered areas. Now, let's take a quick look at our high tide and low tide times for both Trinidad and Tobago. And while our main meteorological focus is the Atlantic and the Caribbean, I'd like to take a moment to acknowledge what's happening in Australia. Now, Tropical Cyclone Alfred is nearing the country's east coast, with its outer bands already bringing strong winds and heavy rain to Queensland and New South Wales. Now, Alfred is expected to make landfall and is the most southerly cyclone to hit the region in over 50 years. Now, there are warnings for around 4 million residents, with emergency services on high alert, particularly in flood-prone areas. Now, coastal regions are experiencing storm surges and massive waves, prompting safety warnings. With that in mind, our prayers and thoughts are with the people of Australia during their cyclone season.